So basically, as you can see, the daytime running light is out. I just bought these lights, okay? These lamps, they're LEDs. So just a heads up before you buy your LED light. What up, party people? What's going on, everybody? Just cruising down this beautiful street. Up in the burbs, chilling. Hey, so just basically a heads up video if you're buying LED lights, LED lamps. Be very careful because of the junk out there. Okay, a lot of junk. Read the reviews. Okay. I read the reviews and it said 6 months. I'm like, oh, well, 6 months, okay. And turns out it's been only about 2 weeks. And driving about 5 days. These daylight running lamps, okay? So, ooh, there's a pub up there. Man, Lucky's? Heck yeah. Hold up, everybody. Be back in a second. Pull over. All right, so as you can see, one of the LED lights came out. It literally just popped out. Now it's stuck here in the headlight itself, so I'm fishing for it. I've got super glue and I'm gonna try to kind of glue this little stick to it. Luckily it didn't. All right, I'm back. Excuse me, I am back. Let's check this thing out. Okay, as you can see, we have daylight parking lights out. You can watch one of my videos and see how this is done. It's real easy to replace them. These daytime running lamps are different than your headlights lamps, okay? But if you're buying aftermarket lights for your vehicle besides the headlights and they're LED, be careful, okay? Just watch your back because a lot of companies out there trying to rip you off. They're selling junk, okay? Made in China or wherever they make them. It doesn't last. It doesn't last. Hey, also, yo, do me a solid. Rate this video, give me a thumb up. Never mind.